10 best healthy meals for dinner. Eating healthy at dinner doesn't have to be boring or complicated. The right meal can be both delicious and nourishing, helping you feel full, energized, and satisfied without overloading your body. Here are 10 of the best healthy dinner ideas. Each one is packed with nutrients, easy to prepare, and full of flavor. Whether you prefer meat, fish, or plant-based meals, there's something here for every palate. 1. Grilled salmon with quinoa and asparagus. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Pair it with quinoa, a protein-packed grain, and steamed or grilled asparagus for a balanced and satisfying plate. 2. Zucchini noodles with pesto and tomatoes. Skip the heavy pesto and try spiralized zucchini noodles. Toss them with fresh basil pesto and cherry tomatoes for a light, refreshing meal that's low in carbs but high in flavor. 3. Chickpea vegetable stew, a warm, comforting dish made with chickpeas, tomatoes, carrots, and spices like cumin and paprika. This hearty stew is loaded with fiber and plant-based protein, perfect for meatless nights. 4. Baked chicken with roasted vegetables. Oven-baked chicken thighs or breasts seasoned with herbs and lemon, served with a side of roasted root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and parsnips. A classic, well-rounded meal. 5. Miso glazed cod with brown rice and bok choy. This simple Asian-inspired dish combines flaky cod with savory miso glaze, steamed bok choy, and brown rice. It's light yet rich in nutrients like iodine and selenium. 6. Stuffed bell peppers with turkey and lentils. Bell peppers are filled with a mix of lean ground turkey, lentils, garlic, and spices. It's high in protein and fiber, and the peppers add a natural sweetness to every bite. 7. Vegetable coconut curry, made with mixed vegetables like peppers, peas, and sweet potatoes simmered in coconut milk and curry paste. Serve with jasmine or brown rice for a fragrant, filling meal. 8. Lentil and spinach dal with whole wheat roti, a simple Indian-inspired dish made by cooking lentils with garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Add spinach for extra nutrients and pair with whole wheat roti for a complete plant-based meal. 9. Tofu stir-fry with broccoli and soba noodles. Stir-fry tofu with broccoli and soba noodles makes for a quick, healthy dinner. Use a light soy sauce or sesame dressing for flavor without extra calories. 10. Baked eggplant with couscous and tomatoes. Roasted eggplant slices topped with cherry tomatoes, olives, and a little goat cheese. Serve over couscous for a Mediterranean-style meal that's light yet filling. Healthy dinners don't need to be complicated. With a few wholesome ingredients and some creativity, you can prepare meals that are good for your body and satisfying to your taste buds. Try rotating these recipes throughout your week to keep your diet varied, balanced, and enjoyable. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.